Hey, Ben Brophy here, and in the next few minutes I'm going to share with you how you can use your Mac, how you can use your computer to create nice inspiring screensavers with images of things that inspire you, empower you, or things that you'd like to be, do and have in your life. So if you're using your computer frequently throughout the week, throughout the day, then why not have it sort of positively and empoweringly impact you throughout the day? So the first thing that you want to think about is basically what are some of the things that you'd like on your computer screen. Is it memories? Is it family? Is it friends? Is it goals and aspirations and intentions? If it's goals and intentions, then something to think about are things that you would like to be, do and have. To help stimulate ideas, you may also want to consider the wheel of life and the different interconnected areas such as career, health and fitness, fun, hobbies and recreation, community and an environment, family and friends and relationships, personal growth, to name a few. And if you haven't done so already, then jump across to the payitforwardacademy.com where you can access an ever-evolving library of content covering these interconnected areas for free. So that's the payitforwardacademy.com. Okay, so once you've thought about those things, and importantly what you want ultimately are images of things that make you feel good. It's all about sort of the feeling that something gives you, okay? So where will you get these images from? So because this is for private use, you can use Google Images, you can use Facebook, you can use your phone, your computer, Instagram, or another good place is Pinterest, somewhere that I use quite a lot. So let's jump in, and the first thing then is to think about what do we want to collate, what sorts of images, what goals, what's intentions, what memories, and where are we going to get them from. So let's jump in and have a look at Pinterest. Okay, so in this instance, using Pinterest, come across to pinterest.co.uk or pinterest.com, depending on where you are in the world. Type in your keyword, find whatever image or images you'd like to include. So let's just say if I wanted to do a road trip, click on the image, and then I'm clicking Control and the mouse on the Mac, which is like a right click on a PC, click Save Image As. And because we're using this only for personal use, it's only for our personal screensaver, we can use these images. So I'll just put Rocky's road trip, and I'm going to add that to the desktop. And that's now saved. So just repeat the process. Let's say that you wanted to do yoga or learn yoga. Again, the same thing, go and find images that you want to put into your desktop. So let's just say, for example, this image here. So I'm going to right click on the image, save image as, and I'll just put yoga 1. And that's now saved onto the desktop as well. So go and find the images that you'd like. Go back to your desktop. We've already created a folder. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drag those images into the folder. So we've got our screensaver demo folder. I'm just going to go quickly now and add some more images to that folder. So now that you've selected your images, again, that could be from Pinterest, from Instagram, from Facebook, from your computer, from your phone. It doesn't matter where, but you've created a folder. I've put my folder on the desktop. So the final thing for us to do is to go and select that folder as our screensaver, and if you wish, your desktop. So go to your Apple in the top left hand corner, click on System Preferences, and then go to Desktop and Screensaver. And I'm going to do desktop as well, just so I'm using my desktop to inspire me. So we come down to the plus in the bottom left hand corner. We're going to select the folder wherever you've put that. So I've got mine on the desktop, screensaver demo, choose, and importantly, I want the picture to change every 5 seconds so that they're moving quite quickly so I see different things. But maybe you want to have that longer, and I want a random order so I'm not always seeing in the same order. So that's now set the desktop. And then importantly, because we're talking about the screensaver in particular in this video, is click on screensaver, select the style which you would like. I personally like the shifting tiles, but there's no right or wrong, so just come through and choose the one that you'd like. So I'm selecting shifting tiles. I want them to start quite quickly, so I'm asking them to start after 1 minute whenever I'm not actively using my computer. And then importantly, you need to come and select your source. So this is where you choose your folder. So come down to choose folder, and then find the folder. So in this instance there, we can see that on the desktop I've got a screensaver demo, which is the images that we've just collated. I'm going to choose that. Okay, so importantly, we're going to shuffle the slide order so we're not always seeing the same images in the same order. And then the final thing I'm going to do is set up the hot corners. And what this means is that if we put our mouse into that specific corner, we will start the screensaver. So I'm saying in the top left-hand corner, if I put my mouse there, I'd like to start the screensaver, click OK. So now let's test that. So we're going for shifting tiles, starting after 1 minute. Our source is screensaver demo. We're going to shuffle the slide order and we've selected the top left-hand corner as the start screensaver hot corner. So let's test that now. And now you can see that we're using our computer screen to reinforce and to show us the images of whatever it is that you've chosen to put on your screen. So it could be memories, it could be friends, it could be family, it could be goals, it could be things that you want to be, do and have. It could be just a particular goal or an intention. There is no right or wrong. It's just a way of using your computer to put stuff that inspires you. If you're sat in front of the computer for hours and hours each week, but you're not always actively actually doing something on it, maybe you're on the phone or you're writing stuff, then this is a nice, easy way to use your screen to reinforce memories, goals, intentions, happy times, things that make you feel good into your subconscious mind. So I hope you found it useful. It's been Brophy. Please do share it with anybody else, but I've just been asked when people have seen this a couple of times how I've done it, so hopefully it makes sense. If you've got any questions, just ask. But have a fantastic week, take care and enjoy the process.